Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of the unboxing. So today guys, we're going to be unboxing a lot of parts. Of course, these are all for the 2021 Toyota GR Yaris. Right here, we got the Blitz drop-in air filter. We have the Spoon rigid collar set. We have the K&N drop-in filter. And lastly, this big box over here, we have the AirTec Intercooler for the GR Yaris. So let's get started. So guys, first things first, we're going to be opening these two drop-in filters. So let's see the difference between the K&N versus the Blitz.
A few moments later.
NANI?!
So guys, this is the Blitz filter. We've taken it out of the box. And as you can see, it's blue. And here is the K&N. This is the box, and there are, I think this is the amount of airflow going into the intake. That's probably stock versus K&N. And it also comes with this pamphlet. So guys, here's a direct comparison of the K&N versus Blitz air filter side by side. It's red versus blue. So guys, one interesting about the K&N high flow air filter is that it says on the package that it's for the Lexus RX 350. I think we can conclude that the GR Yaris is using the exact same filter shape with the Lexus RX 350. So next up guys, we're going to be unboxing the Spoon rigid collar set for the front and the rear of the GR Yaris. So guys, this is what's inside of the Spoon rigid collar set. So first, stickers. And then we have this anti-seize rigid collar paste made in USA. And then we have the instructions for installation. Very detailed instructions. And then here are the collars. So same with the rears, they come with the sticker, anti-seize, instruction manual, and a lot more collars. Oops, looks like these ones were displaced during shipment, but that's okay, they're complete. For the rears, there's 8 collars, and for the front, there's 4, 8, 12, 13, 14 pieces. So guys, we were reviewing the instructions of this rigid collar set, and we found something pretty weird. As you can see here, there's F1, F2, and F3. So F1 is most probably, it's probably one of these. And F2 is also one of these. And then when you get to F3, you have the option to go for the yellow or the green. So if you guys are gonna be using the yellow ones, you better make sure that you use the yellow ones for the RC or the RZ variant of the GR Yaris. And if you're using the green ones, it's for the RS variant, which I think only comes out in Japan. That's the importance of reading the instruction manual, guys. Another thing you guys should notice is when you're buying the rear set of the Spoon Sports rigid collar, important to note that it says they're Prius, but don't panic because inside, this is what it says. It says Prius, but it's also for the GR Yaris. Kinda interesting to find out, guys, that the Prius shares the same rear rigid collars as the GR Yaris. So maybe, just maybe the GR Yaris is using the Prius rear cross member or subframe. Maybe. Alright guys, so the last thing that we're gonna be unboxing today is this AirTec Intercooler for the GR Yaris. I used to have a Ford Fiesta EcoBoost with an AirTec intercooler. So I'm actually excited to see the quality of this intercooler because
When I had it in my Fiesta, it was really nice. So I'm expecting the same for this one.
Guys, this is the AIRTEC Motorsports intercooler for the GR Yaris. Let's open it. The packaging is really nice, guys. Look at the protection that they put on this box. Oh, wow. The camera can't focus because it's black. I don't know if you guys can see.
A few moments later.
And wow, look at the quality. So guys, we don't have the stock unit beside here, so I'm just gonna put a picture somewhere here. So here's a comparison of the stock intercooler versus the AirTec intercooler, and as you can see, this one is really nice. So guys, we just opened the plastic over there, and here's what's inside. First, AirTec Motorsport warranty. So they offer a 3-year warranty void if removed. So this is a sticker, and I believe you probably stick it somewhere here, and it adds 15 more horsepower probably. Shout out to you, Daniel B. Thank you for preparing this for us. Also comes with a instruction manual. The paper is like class A. And apart from that, it also comes with hoses. So these hoses go to the side, the inlet and the outlet of the intercooler.
So guys, that's it for this video, and we hope you enjoyed. We've unboxed more GR Yaris parts for you guys so that you can see it and have a closer look. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to please like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more content in the future. We'll see you guys next time.